Welcome everyone, it is XRP. Today is Thursday, December 23rd, 6:48 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. XRP is currently trading at 0.9899. Thank you guys for joining me. I'll be speaking about some factors that are affecting the price of XRP. We should be looking forward to the upcoming solo airdrop, and we should be looking into in the upcoming weeks. As you guys know, XRP is coupled to Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is coupled to the overall market. This is one reason I want to give you guys a general view of what's going on. Stocks closed higher on Wall Street Thursday, leaving major indexes with solid gains in this holiday shortened week. The S&P 500 closed at another record high. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and the Nasdaq rose. Technology companies and retailers did especially well. U.S. stocks indexes closed higher in the holiday shortened trading week, with the S&P 500 notching a new high. The S&P 500 was up 0.6 or 29.23 points. So I'm just giving you a general feeling of what's going on the market, in the market. In Malaysia, the stock market has tried higher in back-to-back sessions, collecting almost 25 points or 1.6% along the way. You may say that it doesn't matter. My opinion is that it does to an extent. Lets you feel what people are thinking, how they're going to strategize. But besides the market, being a positive effect on XRP, as you guys know, there's a sologenic airdrop happening next year. If you haven't already, you should be transferring your XRP by tomorrow before 12 p.m. as that's the time that the snapshot will be occurring. December 24th, 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time is when the snapshot is happening. So that could be one reason why whales are moving the XRP to private wallets. We had two occasions right here in this article state 17,700,000 XRP were moved to an unknown wallet, and another 20 million XRP. They're either just holding it because it's XRP, or they're gonna transfer it to be able to get some of that solo. So the solo airdrop plus the market looking good, are two factors affecting it. Now I did state that there's what you should be looking forward for the solo airdrop. Besides the solo token itself, within a month or two, you're going to be eligible to receive a new airdrop that will only happen if you have solo token. This creates a big dilemma, which I'll get into in a little bit. There's going to be, let me find the information for you guys real quick. I have it written down, but I want to find it on this article. Right here. There will, however, be one snapshot of solo balances in each month of 2022, with core tokens distributed to solo holders at the time of the next month's snapshot at a random date and time. So what does this mean? This means if you already own solo, then you're already eligible for the first snapshot occurring within, actually it's occurring tomorrow. I have the information. Let me see, let me bring it up for you. I should find a way to mark this right here. The system will take one snapshot at a random date time each month for the next 371 days. The first snapshot is scheduled to be taken at a random time between the 24th to 31st of December 2021. Initially, core tokens will be distributed via an IOU on the XRP ledger, and once Corian's mainnet is launched in August of 2022, users can then conduct a token swap through a gateway designated for the core. Alternatively, the tokens can remain and coexist on the XRP ledger and be traded on the sologenic DEX. So, like I said, this creates a big dilemma. History shows that the price of the token will drop when the airdrop occurs, because people are going to sell. So now this creates a dilemma of do you want to sell, or are you going to hold to be able to participate in the core airdrop? If I'm not holding solo right now, so I'll be eligible if the second snapshot occurs on or after January 20th, which is when we'll be receiving the solo airdrop. Then we'll be eligible for the airdrop in February. But remember, it states a random date and time. It can happen before the 20th. So let's hope it happens on the 20th or after so we can, get involved in February. But for sure, by snapshot number 3, we should for sure be in this one. So if you're already holding solo, the best to you. And if you're not, you're on my boat waiting to get some next month. If you haven't already created the trust line, do it. You have, 12 p.m. tomorrow. But these are just two factors affecting the 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 price of XRP. You got the overall market looking good. You got the solo airdrop happening, and I was looking into it, and then I found this. So I'm thinking of holding now. But like I said, it's not financial advice. I am a financial noob. But one thing that I wanted to talk about was something that I don't think you should ignore, and that's happening around the world. Omicron is surging. The amount of uh, infections has increased. I was reading an article where nurses, their isolation time is being reduced because they're needed in the actual hospitals. So in this article, scientists warn Omicron will surge and say Biden's plan is insufficient. So, I mean, we're not really looking bullish on Omicron. It's 50-50 from what I've been reading. But overall, the consensus is that it's going to get worse. I was reading this article. We got a bunch of events just closing out. The Omicron variant has now been detected in every U.S. state, and health officials warn more people are expected to get infected. Premier League postpones 2 Boxing Day matches due to COVID-19 cases. A dozen Broadway shows have been canceled. Greece cancels Christmas and New Year's festivities and reintroduces mask mandate. United cancels more than 100 flights, citing Omicron cases. This is a big deal, guys. It's not something that you should ignore. Yes, the price is looking good. If we're able to hold this, I believe we might see a spike before the snapshot and then a decrease after the snapshot. It's not financial advice. This is all the information I have for you. Short term, we're looking good. The best of luck to everyone. Don't forget, buy and hold XRP, the one coin to rule all coins.